Hello friends, and welcome to our channel Physicist Buddhist. So I'll take this opportunity today to talk about two subjects that are very close to my heart. First is quantum physics and the other is Buddhism. So I hope what I have to say would also be interesting to you. I'm going to share my knowledge in these two fields, and I also like to take this opportunity to find some like-minded friends with whom I can share my knowledge, and your feedback is very welcome. So if you have any questions or you have any comments, please feel free to share them, and also like to share some of the books that I have collected in all the time I have been studying these two subjects, and so in every lecture I'll talk about at least one of those books. So to begin with, I would like to share some things about the books. So I have always loved to read, and ever since I moved to California 25 years ago, I have collected a lot of books, especially on these two subjects, and these books have been good companions to me. So one wise man once said that if you have lots of good books, you don't need friends, because each book could be a friend to you. So it's the same thing with these books for me, and I would like to share my love and my happiness and joy that I have derived from these books with you. So in every lecture I'll talk about one special book, and these books would be, of course, about quantum physics, biographies of famous scientists, famous physicists, and about Buddhism. So today's topic is quantum physics. Quantum physics is a vast field. It has many different areas in it, and my field is quantum field theory. That's the field that I work in. I've been working in for last 20 years almost, and that's why I have decided to write an encyclopedia, which I've been working on for last 7 years, and of course I'll be working on that for many more years. So quantum field theory is the theory of physics, which is a combination of quantum physics and Einstein's special theory of relativity. So if you combine these two great theories of physics, quantum physics and Einstein's special theory of relativity, you get quantum field theory. So the quantum field theory is the best theory that we have to understand the world, the microscopic world of quantum particles like electrons, positrons, photons, etc. If one hopes to understand these particles and their interactions and how these particles give rise to the world we see around us, then one has to use quantum field theory. So one book which I came across a few years ago, and which has become my favorite book on quantum field theory, is this Quantum Field Theory and Standard Model by Matthew D. Schwartz. I hope you can. So Matthew Schwartz is a professor of physics at Harvard University, and he's also a world expert on quantum field theory. So this is, now to be honest, this is not a bedside book that you can pick up and read. This is a very difficult book to read. It's highly technical and requires a lot of mathematics and basic understanding of physics in general and quantum physics in particular, also the special theory of relativity, before you can tackle this book. But I just wanted to show you the title, the title page of this book, to let you know that this is the book that I have found very interesting and very useful and fascinating. Every time I come to this book, I discovered something new. So, and this is also a standard textbook on quantum field theory. So most people nowadays, they want to understand quantum field theory, they take classes in universities, then many of them use this book. So